Okay, another quick video. It's been a while, like I keep saying, but just feels though we should really do one. So, quick scan around the workshop here. There we go. Got a few things on, and I'll probably start with that. We're just waiting on the ex-postal van to get some spot available at the panel shop. We've finally got the panel van off the hoist. Got it, all the wheels and everything sorted, the wheel mounts and everything with our new disc brake kit. So that's cool to have that, and we've also had it running. I might see if I can push in a wee video of it running and driving. So now we just sort of get to that stage where we sort out all the faults and running issues and make sure the gears change and stop and everything like that, and move on to the next step. So that's good. Type 34, yep, getting real close. Probably seen the interior and everything. I think we posted that last time. It's just got its freshly painted wheels on it, which is fantastic. And we've also had that running, and we're about to take that for a drive soon. That's what you can actually see that we Lone Wolf 3000 starter out there. It means we can start it and operate the carbs. This is one person. So yep, that's cool. And I'll try and get it up there, the 21 window Samba. This is a fresh import, or sorry, a recent import from Australia, and it's had some, just a flick, sort of sing through compliance for some random reason, considering it had Creative Engineering IRS in it and bay window brakes all around, and a 2.2 litre or something. That was all done in Nelson, so nothing to really do with us. But it then failed a warrant because it had all whole modifications. So you've got to be careful of that when you're buying a Kombi or dealing with one. Make sure it's got that cert plate. It's just so much better to have one now. So yeah, we're getting through all the issues that this has had. Unfortunately, the kit when it was installed, I'll just preface this with, we're not a big fan of the Creative Engineering rear IRS kit. If you want to know why, give us a call and I'll go through it and we'll explain what we think you should have. So we've actually hacked it all out in here and everything, and we're changing everything to get the wheel alignment correct, because currently it's chewing rear tyres out quicker than they can buy them, and it's just hopeless. It's just, I don't know why people do it. Yeah, just anyway, we're fixing all the install. Well, it's not the install. They installed it how Creative said it should be done, but the end result is you get a lot of camber. Try and get my hand in here. A lot of camber on the rear, and it's just not right. You just get wearing out the inside of the tyres and everything like that. So we're fixing all that among a whole lot of other issues. That's cool. That one we've just finished it off. We're just doing a couple little more things on it, but that's got a fresh 1911 in it, CC engine, and I'll just try and just bear with me. I'll pop it up. Oh yeah, awesome YouTube video. And so yep, we're just finishing that off. That will go back to Wellington when the owner's ready for it. It's also got one of our bay window narrow beams in it. So there you got the ball joint and the narrow beam there with the booster mount. So that's pretty cool. He's running that. Gives a nice ride quality and ride height and everything, and makes things tuck in a little bit better. And also running those drop spindles, the EMPI ones, just as well here. Would you believe it? Another Type 34 engine for a guy in Wellington. So yeah, we're just gonna go through that soon once we hear back from him. But yeah, another Type 34, unbelievable. Engines on the go. There we go. Swinging by that, a lovely barn door engine just there. We sneak peek. Oh, and we also got the Porsche fan kit for a Type 4. That's for another engine that we're doing for another local guy. He wanted the Porsche cooling and everything, so actually just received that. Oh, there we go. Just received it the other day. So yep, we'll get into that and give some more info about that as we go through it. That's that. So we'll swing around. Just a car in for a job, or a few jobs actually. We'll get that through sorted. And couple other things I want to show you. A panel off to the guy on the North Island, he's just repairing things. Oh, there's also a vintage speed exhaust in there. If you need a vintage speed exhaust, get in touch with us. Happy to sort you out. Now, a lot of people might recognise this. It had the unfortunate stolen Kombi that was stolen from a client here, Christchurch, and some of it was recovered. We've managed to get some of the bits from that, from the owner, or the old owner. And yeah, pretty sad state of affairs, but that's kind of what's left of it, and a couple of other bits and pieces. So yeah, if anyone wants that, we do have it up for sale. We are going to clean it all up and everything. It's a lovely rust-free 72 and onwards, 72, 79 rear hatch panel. Unfortunately, it's been sort of decorated by some P heads in an artistic way. So yep, just get in touch with us about that. And also just the last thing, got a batch of beams on the go. So if anyone needs a link pin narrow beam or a split window Kombi narrow beam, got some already there. Well, they're just about to go to powder coaters, that's why they're sitting there. So yeah, nothing too exciting, but that's kind of what's happening. Obviously we're busy with everything else, things in the background, and we've got a couple of Kombis that aren't here at the moment at the panel layers that we're waiting to come back, and some arriving in the next week or so. But yep, that's us. Cheers guys.